So this is the state of our LG fridge. Water gets in that drip tray. When you open the door, water flings out and drips onto the front of the door and gets it all rusty. We keep a paper towel under the drip tray just to prevent that water from sloshing. And I decided I would make a deeper tray to contain more water and catch some of the water that falls on the backsplash. This is just a template I printed to check for fitment. I used to use graph paper for scaling my photos, but now I use this transparent grid, which is a little bit more accurate because the grid is on plane with the surface that I'm trying to draw. I imported the image into Fusion 360 and set that as the background image. And there's a calibrate function here where I can pick 2 points on the image and define the scaling. So in my case, this is 6 inches. I draw a rough sketch of what the part should look like, and I can turn on the background image and kind of tweak the points until it traces exactly. Interestingly, this part is not symmetric, and my first prototype I made upside down and it didn't fit, so I had to extrude the opposite direction. I put these grid line barriers in so that when you open the door, all the water doesn't slosh to one side and spill over. And I put a little lip on the edge so that it helps keep the water in. After my first prototype, I decided to add a backsplash to it, and this is what the design looks like in Bamboo Studio. And here's the print fully printed. The print took about 2.5 hours. I printed it solid because I didn't want water getting trapped in any voids inside the part. It's pretty much a perfect fit. Now to tackle that nasty rust spot. It was a small spot originally and I covered it with paint protect film, but today I'm sanding it down and filling it with primer and going over with a high gloss spray paint. The spray cans with this type of nozzle spray in a fan pattern and they work much better. I'll be the first to admit that my paint job does not look very good, but you're not typically down on your knees looking at it this close. Now for the true test. Drip, drip, and it looks like this is a fail. I don't like how water's splashing on the sides. I think I need to expand the side wings to cover that area. So back into Fusion, quick modification. I'll post a link to this solid model in the description below if you want to print one out and save your LG fridge from rusting out. This probably won't be the last modification I need to make. I think I probably need some sort of splash screen to diffuse the drips. But I'll keep the MakerWorld link to the solid model that you can download for free up to date. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks again for watching.